Hi, so today I want to show you how we can create a horizontal bar graph using Power Apps. So this is what we aim to achieve, just a test of what happens. So the first thing you do, you create a new screen, select a new screen. Okay, you can do away with what you don't need. You can just delete from this end. Yeah, so the first thing you do, if you want to have horizontal bar graph, you're going to use a vertical gallery. So you need to add that, and you need to add a data source. I already have that data source, so we proceed and add a vertical gallery. Then you connect to your data source. You can choose to have a blank gallery, or you can still have any gallery, but again now you're going to need to delete a few things that you're not going to use. Alternatively, you can select a gallery from the other on your right side. Yeah. Then we need to do away with the next arrow. Everything else should remain. Maybe adjust the template size of our gallery like this. Okay, so also I want the width to be, I want it to be a bit wide, so I need to adjust the width. Parent width -10. Okay, so now we have that, but for our title I want it to have a smaller width like this. Since we're getting our items from this data source, I want to have distinct items. To have unique items, you need to use distinct, and you select the column that you want to show. Okay, like that. And then now on this title here, you're going to use value. Alright, now we have our 3 items showing. Next, we need to add a rectangle here so that we can make our bar graph. So you just need to select the gallery, then you add rectangle. Yes. Okay. You're allowed to move it. Ensure it's not overlapping with your title. Okay. We can have the height to be 40 and the y-axis to be 15. Okay, so we also need it to be wide like this, and we're going to change its fill color to light gray. Okay, now after that we also need some moment. Okay, great. So we also need to add another rectangle, the one that will be showing the progress of the bar graph. So again, you select the gallery, insert rectangle. This. Okay, so the height should be 40, right? Y11. And then we need to check the X of this. That's the one you're going to use for the second one as well. That okay, the height should be 40. Right, now we want the rectangles to have a different color. I have my color combination over here, so allow me to just take this. Let's use this for now and explain how it works. So when you select, you're going to input it in this smaller rectangle. That's the one that will be showing the progress. So currently every bar graph has this color, but we need to switch. How do we switch? You use this formula switch, then this item dot value, the one we selected earlier, and then you say if the value is this is a test, it should have this color. If it's observation, it should have this orange color, and if it's a test, it should now have the blue color. That's how you do it. And then for you to get the progress, you're going to use a formula whereby you calculate over the rectangle you have below, that will be showing the full percentage. So again, please allow me to have this, and then I'll explain the formula. Okay, so you have to put it on the width. Right now it's fixed at 150. We need to change. So you're going to count. This means you're going to count in this data source called feedback. You check the column called observation, and you check this item value, which is the ones we have on the left side, like this is a test, observation, and test. And then you count those, you count rows of that feedback, then you times the rectangle. In our case, we should have rectangle 7. Okay, so basically that's how you make bar graphs using Gallery and in Power Apps. Thank you. Catch you on the next.